What's up, campers? Miss Lexi here. For today's activity, we are going to be playing a game called Straw Javelin Throw. All you need for this activity is some bowls and containers, some straws, and then a pencil and paper. These are optional, however you can use them in the intermediate and advanced portions of this activity. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to line up 3 bowls. If you don't have 3, don't worry about it, just whatever you have on hand, in a straight line. And this is an example of a beginner modification. So I tried to make them all about the same size and place them pretty close together. So once you have those lined up, you're going to give your campers some straws. Depending on how many campers and straws you have, you can alter the number just to make sure that each camper has the same number of straws. I just have 3. So once you have your straws, you're going to take a few steps back and try to toss your straws into the containers. All right, well, I didn't get any. But that is pretty much how the game works, and that is an example of a beginner modification. I'm now going to set up the intermediate modification and show you how to play that. So I'll be back. All right, so this is the intermediate setup. For this one, you can introduce a point system where each bowl is worth a different amount of points, and also you can introduce different size bowls as well. So the furthest away a bowl is, the smaller it gets. So for example, the closest bowl is worth 10 points, the medium-sized bowl is worth 20 points, and then the smallest bowl is worth 30 points. So again, you give your campers your straws, stand a few steps back, and notice how I separated the bowls further apart to make it more challenging. So again, you're going to just simply try to toss your straws into the bowls. All right. Well, I didn't get any, again. So if you were to successfully throw a straw into a bowl, you could tally up your points using a sheet of paper and a pencil. But that is the intermediate modification. You can have a friendly competition. Whoever gets the most points wins. And now I'm going to show you the advanced. All right, so last but not least, this is the advanced modification. And as you can see, the bowls are much smaller. Had to do a little bit of scrummaging around in the cabinet to find them. However, the pretty much layout is the same. They are spaced a little bit further out apart than the intermediate, and the point system is still the same. So the green one is worth 10 points, the yellow one is worth 20 points, and then the purple one is worth 30 points. So again, you're going to take your straws, and you're going to try to, again, throw them into the bowls. So I got 10 points. So again, you can use a sheet of paper to tally up your points, and again, the one with the most points wins the game. So that is pretty much it for today's activity. Hope you all have a fun time playing it, and I will see you all next week.